Today we're going to be working with this golden arowana HDPC waterproof planks. We're going to put a short video together of how we're installing this stuff. It doesn't take a rocket science to figure this stuff out. Actually, it's pretty interesting how this stuff goes down. It's a commercial grade wear layer, stain resistant and pit friendly, easy to clean and maintain, installs existing hard surface flooring, installs over existing hard surface flooring with a 35-year residential warranty. I've never put this stuff down, but I'm building a home and doing a lot of the work myself, and most of it comes off of YouTube videos. As you see here, I've got most of this room already done, but I wanted to put a short video together on how easy the stuff is actually to lay down. I'm no fart, but I could get it done, so I think anybody could. I think the hardest part of it was getting the initial first 2 or 3 planks laid out. You know, this stuff likes to move around when you hammer it on it and trying to put it in place. So that is really critical, keeping the alignment straight on it, and everything will kind of fall into place basically. You just make sure you've got a good square starting point. I'm going to have Leo here take the video while I try to put the next few pieces in place to show y'all really how easy it is. You may get one board here and there that kind of wants to be a little temperamental, but you just got to really look at the alignment on each piece when you get to, say, right here. You know, and make sure that you got everything lined up there. And as we go along, I'm going to point out a few steps here, or pointers here and there that I ran into that made it easier for me to install this stuff. You don't really want it to go all the way up against the wall. You don't want a tight fit. You want to allow for some expansion, I guess you'd call it. So you can come in off the wall a 1/4 inch, 3/8. Base it on whatever your crown molding is going to be. You know, your crown molding is going to actually run along the baseboard, and you know, give yourself a little room there on the ends of these, and even the front section when you start working it in there. But stay tuned here, and I'm gonna have Leo shoot a little video as I'm working on it. And man, this stuff is really pretty nice. Like I said, I've never done it before, but wow, that's all I can say. Not hard at all. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I put this stuff down. You know, there's many ways to do it, I'm sure, but and this is my first time, so bear with me. I think I'm doing it the right way, and it's turning out pretty nice, so I guess we are doing the right job. Anyhow, as you see, this stuff is going to have a lip here, and it's going to have a lip here. The opposite end, of course, be different. The key to it is making sure that these lines line up right here after you install each piece. If you don't, man, you either hammer one section or the other too much, and you're going to have a hard time getting this stuff to line up properly. The important thing is lay up here at an angle, just like you see I'm doing right here, and make sure that it's slid all the way down to this other piece right here. And once you've got it in place there, you got to pick it up at an angle like this, or else it's not going to interlock. It's got an interlocking system here. Put it in place like that, you're going to see the piece kind of hangs up there. I'm sure there's special tools for this, but we don't have it, so we're going to use what we have. I'll take a 2x4 and a hammer, and all I do, tap it there, and tap it right in. Now then you see it goes down. Come right over here, make sure you've got this butted up tight. And all of this is locked in place very tight. This seam is very tight, and it's in place. I'm going to go over here to the next piece. It's also good to make sure your floor is as clean as possible. Of course, the guys we had doing this sheetrock job were the worst in the world. I wish I'd ever paid them. And so we have to work with what we got. Anyhow, get you another piece of it. Come right over here. And it's good to always keep weight on this side, especially if you're starting at the beginning over there. You'll shift that stuff around, and then you're going to have a hard time keeping this stuff aligned. Let me take this piece back, Leo. If you'll zoom in right here, step up here a little bit closer. You see how we got this very, very tight, and see how that line is lined up? If you got this offset either way, you're going to have a hard time getting these pieces to interlock properly. So, step back there, Leo, we'll get this piece put in. Sorry about that fall, people, but I guess somebody just has to talk to me right now. There you go, pick it up, make sure it's tight up against there. Make sure the butt joint on this end is in place. I'll take off the board, tap it. I got weight on this side. You see it kind of drop down by itself. Run your hand across it. Look at that, put it right in place. Not so hard at all, alright? Once you know, if it's not locked up properly, a lot of times it won't lay flat on the floor. But as you see, this piece here laid flat. So we know we got a good tight lock, and it's sitting in there properly. Guys, I don't know what else to tell you about it. It's very simple to do. You know, you'll have to offset. Say, for instance, this room here, we're running let me get up quick knees. We're actually running 3 full links, and then we run a partial link, and then we also try to offset a lot of the, try to stagger the cuts as much as we can, so it doesn't have a similar formation that all looks the same. It kind of looks a little more professional, and I think it'll make the wife a whole lot happier. Well, anyhow, guys, I hope this little video helps a few of y'all. Like I said, I've watched a few videos out there on YouTube, and that's kind of what gave me the mentality and the skills to actually tackle the job myself. Well, thanks for watching. If you really liked the video, hit the like, subscribe button for our future videos. We're building this house ourselves. We're going to be doing some videos on the shower pans and some of the electrical and some of the other stuff that I'm doing myself. We're way out in the woods here, about an hour from town, and it's really hard to get anybody out there doing the work. So a lot of it we're having to do ourselves. And thanks to YouTube, we're finding a lot of videos that's giving us the knowledge and the skills to do some of this stuff. Again, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.